reliable electronic diagnostic and best car fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2008 Mercedes Benz C300. Whether it's 300 or 350, from 2008 all the way to 2014, 15, almost the same on programming those keys. Today we need to add an extra key using Autel MaxiIM Im608. Together we're going to go step by step to see if we will be able to add a key. A spare key is a peace of mind, especially the dealer in New York. I don't know other places. If you lost the key, the car have to be towed to them. They consider it as a service. They don't sell any key anymore. So anyhow, having a spare key is a peace of mind. Let's go ahead and see what's gonna happen. Okay, now I'm gonna take the key from you. You're gonna come on the back seat and video me while I'm doing the work. Here is the car. We have one working key. Okay. I'm gonna close the door. The car is look beautiful, nice. We are using this is the J2534, the pass-through device. This is the one that's the VCI, that vehicle communication interface. This one is enabling you, is going to transfer the information and prepare all the module in the car and make it ready to be read by your laptop. Or if you have a Bluetooth, also it will be able to read. So just it is a way of communication line, because each module, each computer, to read information, you need a communication with it. Even a printer, you need a cable. But the driver is inside the laptop. But this one, they manufacture it like this. But this J2534 is a universal communication interface. That means you can program, you can use this interface to do GM, Ford, BMW, Mercedes, all of it, it's capable. It's capable to do that. So now, when you do the programming, try to connect, don't use the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, use a cable. So I have a one cable here, and also I'm using the programmer where I can put those keys to write the data into it after everything is go well. Sometimes some keys will not work. So we are trying to see if we'll be able to use this system to read and program. You are here, go to Maxis, and on Maxis go to IMO, say accept, go to VIN, because you are in the Maxis, auto detect. You're gonna wait a little bit to read the VIN number. That's the VIN number, you say okay. It will decode the VIN number for you. By the way, this is MaxiIM, stand for immobilizer. And here you see, also say IM608, that's a model of this machine. This machine is good for programming and diagnosis at the same time. If you are a mechanic and you want to start an automotive repair business and you want to lean towards computer programming and diagnostic and chips, please keep this one with you. It's helpful. So I would say yes. And now what you want to do? I'm going to go to IMO scan. Just let me go this way. IMO scan is kind of a little bit different, but I will read the information. ECU, transmission, EIS, and the key. You see, we have three things we're going to deal with. Also, the engine computer have three codes. So here we have a lot of stuff. All key lost, immobilizer adaptation, vehicle IMO information, or add a key. You know, I want to go to add a key. Are you using bench, or are you using on bench G-box? Those are tools that you're going to use it. They are different. On bench, that means someone take the ignition switch out for you and bring it to you to your office. So you're gonna take this EIS, put it in the bench. You're gonna connect different wires, read the information, and then write it back into the key. Also on bench, you can use G-box. G-box is gonna emulate like you are in a car, and then it works. On vehicle, it's just like what we are now, where we are now. So I'm gonna say in vehicle. So now here is a different story. We're gonna start reading all this. We have sun that giving us trouble, or it's okay? Or we can see.
Yeah, we can see.
Can we put any box on the front of the, so we're not gonna get blurry? You see, it's clear.
Yeah.
It's clear.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if it's clear, I have no problem. If not, I'm gonna get something to cover the windshield. Let me get something. Okay. I will turn the key. Let me close the door. Ignition have to be on. Now, you see the first step is say EIS data. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps. So let's go. I'm gonna start begin. Now he will read the information from the key, I believe. Start communication. Success. So now detect frequency. Please put the ignition key close to the programmer remote and press OK. Which key I'm gonna put it, I don't know. But let me try to put this one. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I want to do it again. Here, I'm not sure. Do I have to put this? Okay. Yes, it sees something. You see, it sees something. So I'm going to put it here inside. And now I will say, okay. I don't know, do I have to put the register key? I'm getting confused all the time, but let's try. So communication with the key. If there's any problem, it will tell us something wrong. Communication with the key, please wait. You see where I put the key?
Replace with the legal.
You say, please, the first key is detected to be invalid. Please replace it with a legal ignition key. Okay, so I believe this is supposed to be there, not this one.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be the original one.
Yeah.
So even the owner of the car, my best friend, he's there. He learned more than me and he know more than me. It is a computer. Okay, yes, he got it. He said number of the possible existing key is 3. Smart key, no. So that means when you are trying to do the remote proximity, after you read the EIS, you have to take the key that belongs to the car and put it here, not the new key. Actually, those are empty. That's why they say illegal, or it's not available, or there is nothing inside. By the way, those keys are good. You can erase it and write it back again too. So let's go again. I will say, okay. Now we have 2 steps. Detect, please put the blank key close to the program. So now I'm going to leave this one. I'm going to put the blank key close to the program. See? We say it's not detected, so do it again.
Maybe if you leave the original there back.
No, he said the blank key.
I know, but if you still keep the original.
Original, you can't put the original, 2 of them there. Now, he see the blank key already, you see? He see it, the way I put it around here, he read it. Now I'm gonna put what? I'm gonna put this blank key inside here. And then I will say, okay. Now we're gonna be in a step. It's communicating with the key itself, our key, which is a blank. Please don't say this key is not acceptable. I know this key is good, yes. Is there a key password? between me and you, we don't have it. No. Now press OK to enter. Oh, did I say OK? Or I say no?
No.
Okay, so I say no, so I'm gonna process. We're gonna go into processing of calculating. Insert the ignition key into the EIS. Wait 5 seconds. Pull the ignition key out. Insert the ignition key in the EIS. Wait 2 seconds. Okay. So I'm gonna go here. Put the key in the ignition. Don't turn it. Wait 5 seconds. Take it out. Insert the ignition into EIS. Wait 2 seconds. Okay. Insert the ignition. Into the air hole. Collect the data. Password. Okay. I'm gonna start. So this one here, we need to do this way. So because insert the ignition key into EIS and wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, counting down. So everything is, you have to follow the step. Now, pull the key out, click OK. You have to follow this step till you get the password. Insert the ignition and wait 2 seconds. 1, 2, say OK. 1, 2, finish. Yeah, key turn the ignition. Okay. Success. Put it here now. You see a crazy step. The password takes some time, 1 hour, 45 minutes. It takes some time long, but we're gonna be patient. We got, okay. Restart again. I don't know if this is based on the working key or the key that is not functioning. I need to get the password now.